Yeah, good evening, my dear students. Yeah, this is Naranjan, teacher in English. Welcome to Official Language Channel. Now we have been learning this first lesson, intermediate first year, Abraham Lincoln's letter to his son's teacher. Now the third part has been going on. The next paragraph: teach him if you can that 10 cents earned is of far more value than a dollar found. This line is very important in one's own life because you just teach here what we say, teach him if you can that 10 cents enough. If my boy earned just 10 cents in the sense it is here the currency name. Okay, so if he earned 10 cents enough than the dollar found, that means morally and ethically we have to earn money. Morally and ethically we have to earn money. This is very important point which try to understand in this line. If my boy earn just 10 cents, it's enough than the I mean get a dollar, which is not ethically and morally. Okay, that means it is not correct to deceive the people uh, earning money, right? In school teach him it is far more honorable to fail than to cheat. Yeah, in school it is more far honorable uh, to fail than to cheat. It is better to fail. It is better to fail than cheating the examination point of view. Of course, we might have seen that in the current present scenario, what is going on, my dear students. But one thing, you teacher, the Abraham Lincoln is asking the teacher, teach him, my dear son, it is better to fail. It is better to fail in the examination point of view, cheating than the cheating. Okay, than the cheating. So that's why failures are stepping stones to success. I think you might have seen that there is so many people we find in the society, the people who failed and they became, number one position in the world. Am I right? So that's why. So it is better to, it is a honorable to fail than to cheat. Honorable. It is honorable to fail. That is why failure is nothing but a glory. Failure is nothing but glory than the cheating, right? So teach him to learn how to gracefully lose and enjoy winning when he does win. Teach him to learn how to gracefully lose. Yeah, it is teach him how to i mean uh, gracefully lose or loss. Okay, or loss, and enjoy winning when he does win. Yeah, definitely. If you are failure, accept the failure. If you succeed in your life, if you get success in your life, definitely you enjoy. But one thing, when you succeed in your life, don't let it be on your head. Once if it does, then there is, what we can say, failure behind you. I think I hope that you understand. If you fail in any task in your life or an examination or in any part of the, what we can say, any life, just accept it. I failed, but try to understand what are the mistakes which you committed for that particular thing. If you win, if you succeed in your life, then try to understand. Don't let it be on your head. That is your success. Okay, that's very important. Once if it is does, if you let it be, put your success on your head, definitely you have to face consequences in your life. That means life is nothing but balance. We have to maintain, balance. Stability is also very important, which we find in this line. Okay, so that is here. Next paragraph: teach him to be gentle with people, tough with the tough people. Yes, this is very important. Already I told you, in this world there are different kinds of people, different types of people, different kinds of characteristics also we find. That's why teach him to be gentle with the people. Okay, the smooth people are there. Just you should be smooth. Okay, at the same time, tough people with the tough. Yeah, we just we have seen movies how the hero is to be uh, mingle with the tough people and smooth people. Okay, I think you can understand that. It's very important point. Also, of course, the annotations also very important. This line is very important for annotations. Of course, I will tell you about that, the examination point of view, which annotations are very important. Steer him away from envy if you can, and teach him the secret of quiet laughter. Steer him. The steer means here to show the way. The teacher should show the direction to the students where they wanted to be, what they wanted to be. The destination is very important, especially being a teacher should give the directions to the students. That is here, steer him away from envy. Envy in the sense the people who are, in Telugu, అసూయ పడేటువంటి వాళ్ళు, అసూయపడేటువంటి వాళ్ళు, మనం చూసి ఈర్ష్యపడేటువంటి వాళ్ళ నుంచి దూరంగా ఉండమని చెప్తున్నాడు. అది కూడా టీచ్ చేయాలి. మనం చూసి అసూయపడేవాళ్ళు, మనం చూసి ఈర్ష్యపడేటువంటి వాళ్ళకి దూరంగా ఉండమని చెప్తున్నాడు. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ యూ క్యాన్ ఇన్ ద సెన్స్ ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ ఏబుల్ టు, ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ క్యాపబుల్ టు టీచ్ ద children, then you can teach. That means here this is very important, what we can say, the methodology while communicating with the small kids. Okay, because we are, what we can say, in the small children we find the brain is active, very 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 active. Whatever the teacher says, they definitely follow. This very important point, try to understand while communicating with the small kids. Okay, so that's why here next, teach him. So envy if you can, and teach him the secret of the quiet laughter. And quiet laughter is very important. నిశ్శబ్దంగా నవ్వడం కూడా is important. అంటే పెద్దగా నవ్వకుండా చిన్నగా నవ్వమని, దాన్ని కూడా నవ్వడం కూడా ఇట్స్ వన్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఎ స్కిల్. ఓకే, సిచ్యువేషన్ తగ్గట్టుగా నవ్వడం అనేది కూడా దట్స్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో ఈజ్ టు బి థాట్ బై ద టీచర్ ఇన్ ద పర్టికులర్ వే. Okay, teach him if you can how to laugh when he is sad. Is it possible to laugh when we are in sad? Yes, this is very important point. That is why in school it's nothing but a university. We have to learn so many things. That's why here, the Abraham Lincoln is asking the teacher, a particular teacher, who is going to take classes for this small child. These things, all these things, has to, learn. First, teacher has to learn all these things while communicating with the students. Otherwise, there is a lot of problems are going to be happen in the classroom. They cannot understand. So here, how to laugh when he is sad. When he is sad, when my boy is sad, teach him how to laugh. That means here laugh in the sense stability is very important when our age grows. Stability is very important. Okay, when we are in grief, when we are in, so pathetic situation, our stability is very important. That's why this is only possible for only teachers. Okay, in school also, it's school only possible. We should try to learn all these things in the school. Okay, teach him there is no shame in tears. Of course, there is no shame in tears. Sometimes we get tears, okay, when we are in sad. Of course, it's not bother about that. Teach him no shame in tears. Teach him there can be glory in failure and despair in success. Yeah, failures and success are both same coin, both sides of the same coin. So teachers should teach the children failure and success both are both same coin. Okay, both that it's the same coin, both sides of the same coin. That is why don't take as if you succeed in your life, don't take success, I succeeded, and if you failure, accept the failure. Once if you accept the failure, try to understand the mistakes where you committed, and then go for that one success. If you succeed in your life, then you get a success, then don't let it be on your head. Then if it does, definitely you have to face consequences. Okay, so this is the very important point which try to understand in these lines. Teach him to scoff at the cynics. Here scoff means mockery. Some people disappoint us, some people, I mean, degrade us. So just leave it about that cynics people. Cynics in the sense pessimist people are there around us. Definitely pessimist people మనం చూసి ఈర్ష్యపడేటువంటి వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు. వాళ్ళని మనం జస్ట్ లివ్ ఇట్, వాట్ వీ కెన్ సే మోకరీ, మనం ఎగతాలు చేసేటువంటి వాళ్ళు ఉంటారు. జస్ట్ పుట్ ఇట్ అసైడ్, పుట్ దెమ్ అసైడ్. ఓకే, otherwise you should have what we can say, you should have own ideas, you should have own thoughts. Whatever you are doing in your life, you should have own ideas. This is the exact point of this I mean, what we can say, line meaning. Because the disappointed people around us, they always used to disappoint us and degrade us. Okay, but you should have in your own ideas and own thoughts. Definitely you will succeed in your life. So that means those people who are there around you, just put it aside, just take it and put it aside, because your ideas are very important, your thoughts are very important, your skills are very important. So in this context, you try to develop in your career, my dear children and my dear students. Because I'm doing 10 minutes video, because the technical problems are happening while doing the videos, when the video is lengthy. So that's why please try to understand, this is a part 3, I mean, video. Next I would like to go for another